talking about the Excel interface every beginner should know. Now, when you open your Excel, this is what you see. You might be wondering, what is this and what is this? What is this? This is the home button, the new. This new button is for when. Do what to follow my cursor, please. It will really help. Now, this new button here is when you want to open a new Excel file. This open here is when you want to open an already existing file. Now, this option here allow you to tweak your Excel the way you want. Let me just click it to allow you to tweak your Excel the way you want. If you want to make it dark, you want to make it white like this, whatever you want, whichever you want rather. Then feedback account is for your Microsoft account. Me, I'm logged in on this account. So now this is the interface. These are some recent files I've opened. There is pinned. If you pinned any file here, it will be here. Then this template here, see here, these are templates, already formatted files. These are templates. So this is your blank workbook. So if I click it now, it will open my Excel workbook. Now we have the Excel workbook and we have Excel sheet. It's just like you buying an exercise book. The whole book is the whole book is like your Excel workbook. Then the sheets of paper inside is like your sheets that are here. So in every page you can analyze, do whatever you want to do a descriptive analysis, a predictive, diagnostic, and prescriptive, whatever analysis you choose to do. You can do it in any of the sheets here. Then up here we have our tabs. So we call tabs in most of the softwares. Up here we have the insert tab, we have the page layout tab, we have the formula tab, the data tab, we have review, view, developers, and others like that. There are some things you will do now, tabs will be added to it. Like if you create a table now, a table tab will be added to these tabs whenever you click your table. Now under each tab we have what we call ribbons. Now watch this home tab. Here we have clipboard ribbon, we have font ribbon, we have alignment ribbon, we have number ribbon, we have the styles, we have the cells, and inside the clipboard we have cut, copy, format, painter. And then font, we have your, if you want to change your font, then we have the size of your font. Anyone you want to do, change the color of a background or the color of the font, just like that. In each of the tabs we have different ribbons we can work with. So that's that for today. So thank you for watching to the end, and do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification button.